My name is Zack Korkowski. I'm Senior Manager of Projects and Client Development at Index. I work for Index AR Solutions, and we develop eBooks and applications for our clients. Training eBooks and applications, but also field or operations eBooks and applications as well. The eBooks and apps that we develop, we actually take a very hands-on approach with developing them. We go to wherever the work is being done for our clients. We've climbed wind turbines, been in substations, been out in the field, helping dig up gas mains to capture that knowledge that go in our eBooks and applications. So when we develop these eBooks and applications, they're usually part of large training programs for our clients, whether that's just regular engineering training programs, apprenticeship programs, et cetera, things like that. We lean on our clients to define how complex or how detailed they want us to get. So the approach we take, we will send out project managers, technical writers, engineers to meet with the subject matter experts that have been in the industry for decades, and we capture all the knowledge and experience that they have and we pour them into the eBooks and applications that we develop. We really give them all the information they need at their fingertips, and we provide it to them in a multimodal experience. So text, photos, videos, graphics, 3D models, augmented reality, all of that, and the user can really kind of pull from those modes of learning and really kind of decide how they'd like to receive and grasp that information so they can retain it longer and perform the work safer and be more efficient. Yes, we do build eBooks and applications for training. Majority of those products are self-contained on the device, do not require connectivity, but we also build a good amount of applications and solutions that do require connectivity. We're really happy to be part of the Anterix ecosystem because with their private network, those solutions can even be more accessible to those users in the field. The subject matter experts that we mainly work with to develop these products may find themselves in remote locations. So whether that's a wind farm in the middle of Iowa, a substation out in Oregon, we want to make sure that the products that we develop for them, provide the solutions and solutions that they need. So whether it's a self-contained ebook or application, it's at their fingertips. But with a ebook or application that would require connectivity, a private network like the offering that Anterix has would really make sure that the solution provides them what they need in the field with that reliable private network. Our clients up to this point, they've asked us to really keep most of the training products we create self-contained on the device because they don't want to strand their worker. If they're in a remote location, they don't have connectivity, we want to make sure that our products we build for them are still working. But really with Anterix's ecosystem, the community, the private network that they offer, we can really kind of unlock more capabilities within our products. If there is a reliable way to connect the user to a location, to a database to pull information from, the world is their oyster. They can really pull more information to their device and have more solutions at their fingertips.